Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Kordial Media YouTube channel. My name is Adriana, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you my traffic strategy utilizing Pinterest ads that actually helps you get conversions as well as qualified traffic and not just any random bot traffic onto your site. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Adriana. I help Shopify e-commerce businesses and content creators drive traffic and sales utilizing Pinterest. Without further ado, let's dive into our video. All right, so you may have run traffic campaigns before on Pinterest and have wondered why just driving traffic and not driving necessarily qualified traffic or successfully converting that traffic into buyers. Typically what happens here is when you run a regular consideration campaigns with ads that you create yourself, you are kind of attracting everyone and anyone who's interested in your ad. So although your click-through rate might be interesting, anything above 1% on Pinterest is considered very good because the benchmark is 0.70%. You might not be driving the most qualified traffic to your site. We ran into this issue a few months ago with one of our clients. And so I said to them, okay, well, you know what? Let's try driving traffic with a catalog pin clicks campaign and see whether or not the traffic is more qualified and whether or not they purchase more than from the consideration campaign. So we put that to the test, and lo and behold, yes, the pin clicks catalog campaign was not only driving better CPC, so cheaper cost per clicks, better click-through rates, but it was also driving more sales than the consideration campaign had previously. The fact that it was driving better sales and had cheaper cost per click and better click-through rates indicated that the traffic was 10 times more qualified than from a broad consideration campaign. And so we ended up pausing that broad consideration campaign and simply running the catalog pin clicks campaign. If you are interested in testing out this strategy for yourself, I have a full tutorial for you that we'll get into on how to build this campaign so you can try it as well. Let's put together a pin clicks campaign, a catalog pin clicks campaign. So you want to get into ad reporting over here in your Pinterest ads dashboard, and then you want to click create campaign, create new, and then you want to go to catalog sales over here to do so. So next you want to name your campaign. This is up to you. You can call it pin clicks so you know what you're doing. I always copy this. Then I will keep it active because I'm launching it. I will give it a budget. I really don't suggest you do less than $20 a day for a traffic campaign. Pin clicks is considered traffic. So that's just a heads up, or consideration campaigns, things like that. I like to rename the ad group the same as the name. Next, you want to, choose creative optimizations. Turning it on always helps. Over here, I don't have a catalog synced, but you would see all your product groups. I suggest that you just select the all products product group. Next thing you want to do is, if you'd like to only make sure you're targeting a new audience, you can go and choose a site visitor audience and then exclude that audience. And I will link a video on how to create audiences. So you can either create these audiences or you can upload an audience and choose to exclude whichever audience you want. But a lot of the times we don't even bother with this, but it's up to you. Next, you can choose, gender, ages, locations, languages, and devices. I typically will keep everything on all genders, ages, unless we're only doing products for women, then maybe I'll just do women. But for the most part, because Pinterest is 70% female, I will just keep it on all. Ages too, unless again, there's a really specific type of age bucket that you want to target, or you are promoting products that are age restricted. Location, you want to choose your one country. I would not suggest you choose more than one country per campaign. Next, I always leave it on all languages and all devices, all ad group placements too. And then it brings us to optimization. So next I'm going to click pin clicks, and I'm going to keep it on performance plus over here. And that's literally all you need to do. Then you click publish and you are good to go. All right, now that you know how to build a catalog pin clicks campaign, feel free to book a meeting with me. You and I can chat about your Pinterest account. I offer these strategy sessions so we can review what you're already doing or what you want to do, and we can see if we're a good fit to work together from there. My calendar will be linked in the description box below for you to book a call with me. If you have any questions about anything we talked about in today's video, feel free to write it in the comment box below as well. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.